Okay, part two of how to remove a light fixture. And you can see me in the mirror there. Sort of like. Anyway, it's not important. Kenny West from GoZilla.org. This is part two. Now, we've already removed the light fixture. And as I was saying in the previous video, this is the hot wire, the live wire, or the energized wire, the black one. And then the white one is the neutral wire. And here we have a connection for the line that's running for the ground wire, and you see the green nut here. This bar, you can get them in different adjustable sizes. One is probably not the original one that was there. I think I removed it before. And this plastic housing is for when you don't have anything behind the wall to screw it to. There are leaves or wings on the side of this box, and when you screw in the nut, it lifts the wing up and tightens it up against the sheetrock inside here. And actually, yeah, there's it. I think you can see it. That blue wing at the top there, it's barely grabbing onto some of this sheetrock. So it's a very delicate job I'm doing here. I don't want to mess with it too much. What I'm going to do is demonstrate how to fill in this hole. And I was going to try to save that area there if I could. Don't look like that's going to happen. So what I'm going to do is, wow, this is going to be touchy. Let me see what I can do and try to fill it in while you're here. Okay. Hopefully that's picking something up. Man, I don't know about this. Let me try this side. What it is, the box is loose. That ain't picking nothing up. Neither is this side. So, the only side of this box that's picking anything up, the only wing is this one to the left. You got one on the bottom and one on the top here. And they're not grabbing onto anything. Probably because it's not pushed back far enough. This is really thick sheetrock. So I have another idea that I'm going to try. And so let me see if I can fill this area in here. So I'll put that light fixture back up. It's going to pull. And it might hold. Yeah. So anyway, what I would do is just take a little paper towel, and because you need something to apply the joint compound to. It's a little trick. Stop the hole with paper or something along that line. Now I have something to apply the joint compound to. I'm going to use this little like 1-inch knife, putty knife, and just sort of press it up in there. And that's just the base. Just like that. So we're going to let that set up. Come back tomorrow. And I'm going to smooth it over again, smooth it out. And maybe a third time skin coat it again. Make it nice and smooth and even with the wall. And then probably have some paint left over downstairs from the previous work done in here. I'm going to go look for that and just paint over it, touch it up, and it'll be disappeared. And depending on if you're selling your place and you just want to get it done real quick and make it look nice, and it'll hold just fine for a couple of years, that's the way you want to go. If you want to take it out and put in a whole new piece of sheetrock, probably about maybe 3 inches across, cut this whole thing out and replace it, that can be done too. There is a way with nothing behind here. You can attach a piece of sheetrock to a wooden like shim stick behind here and screw to the shim sticks and just sink the screws into the sheetrock and use the mud to smooth over the screws, the dent that the screw leaves, and smooth it even with the wall, and nobody will ever know what was going on. So anyway, I'm gonna stop it right there. I'm Kenny West at GoZilla.org. That's GoZilla.org. If you want to help a student around the world who is financially struggling to stay in school, contact GoZilla.org. I'm Kenny West. My information is on the website, and we can do the work for you at a much lower rate. Now, we do safe work at GoZilla.org. Things of this nature, we take many precautions when we're dealing with electricity, as I demonstrated in the previous video. And so we gift huge portions of our labor fees to students overseas and in the Americas, all around the world. And also, we do professional work, but we're non-licensed, so our rates and fees are very low in the first place. So you get professional work at low rates, lower than any other licensed contractor. I can pretty much guarantee that. We're in the Northern Virginia area, close to Arlington, Falls Church, Annandale, Alexandria. We're in that area. We're willing to travel to Centerville, Washington, D.C., and parts of Maryland, PG County, and Montgomery County, Maryland. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to view this video. We're going to come back with another video, and I'll show you how to put the light fixture back up, and just give you an idea of what I'm doing here. Just patching up and hold there. And I'm going to secure this box, but I'm not going to do that right now. Thank you. That's 10 minutes. Over and out.